Hello, and welcome to this video demonstration. Today, I'll be showing you how to install and add the Column View Permission app in SharePoint Online. This app is a great tool for managing column or view level permissions in your SharePoint lists. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to get started. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about what the Column View Permission app is. This app allows you to customize and manage permissions for individual columns or views in SharePoint lists, enhancing security and usability for specific users or groups. In this video, we'll focus on two important steps. 1. Installing the app from the SharePoint store. 2. Adding the app to your SharePoint site. Before we start, make sure you have the right permissions to install apps in SharePoint. You need to either be a member of the site owners group or have equivalent permissions. Also, ensure your SharePoint site allows access to the SharePoint store. If you meet these prerequisites, you're ready to move forward. Part 1. Installing the app from the SharePoint store. Now, let's go through the process of installing the Column View Permission app from the SharePoint store. First, open your SharePoint site and click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Add an app. Next, click SharePoint Store at the top of the page. In the search bar, type Column View Permission and press Enter. When the app appears in the search results, click on it to open the Details page. On the Details page, click Add to Apps site to begin the installation. You'll now see a Permissions dialog. Here, you have two options. Only enable this app. This lets you add the app to this site only. Enable this app and add it to all sites. This option automatically makes the app available across all your SharePoint sites. If you need to access the app across all your sites, you can choose this option. Now, I select the Enable this app and add it to all sites option. This ensures the app is available across all SharePoint sites automatically, so you don't need to add it manually to individual sites. Next, I click the Add button to complete the installation. You'll now see a confirmation message indicating that the app has been successfully installed. This means the app is ready to be used across all your SharePoint sites. Now, let's go to one of the lists on the site to verify that the app is available. On the List command bar, you'll see the Column View Permission action is now visible. This confirms that the app has been installed and enabled successfully. If you don't see the action on your list, ensure that the app is installed correctly and permissions are configured appropriately. Part 2. Adding and accessing the app on a site. If you selected Only enable this app during installation, you'll need to manually add the app to individual sites where you want to use it. Let's go through those steps now. Start by going to your site contents page. On this page, click Add an app. You'll see the Column View Permission app listed under Apps you can add. Click the app title. After click Added to your site and will appear on your site contents page. To confirm that the app has been successfully added, navigate to a list in your site. On the Lists command bar, you'll see the Column View Permission action now available. And that's it. The app is ready to use on your SharePoint site. We've successfully installed and enabled the app in SharePoint Online. You can now start using the Column View Permission app to manage your list permissions more effectively. Thank you for watching this demo. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.